Today we got part 2 to the Maxima coming back, rebuild, 6-speed. We're going down to Philly today. It's about to be fun. Got a big rental, Ford. It's big red, I'll call it. Look like a big ass fire truck coming down the street. I'm really a Dodge boy over here. Got Josh with me.
What's up?
Hold on.
What up, YouTube?
Huh?
I said, what up, YouTube?
What you think about the Ford?
It's alright.
Prefer Dodge?
Yeah.
Up early?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta go to Philly today. Pick up a motor. Got a nice little deal in Philly. So, enjoy the sights, the sightseeing. Once we get to Philly, we'll talk more then. Alright, let's get rolling. Alright, y'all. Today's the big day. Putting the motor back in.
Hello?
See. Here we go.
What's good, yo? Yo, bro. You know, put the money in, bro. You got it all thing. No.
Here's the engine. Got the engine from Philly. PA Philly. 80,000 miles. Pretty clean. I ain't bad.
Today?
So I like it.
I came ready today. What's wrong with you?
So today it's finally time for it to go in. And it's an automatic engine at that. We'll give you a better shot when I get it outside. Alright, engine going in. Got it hanging. It's the new engine. Remove the power steering belt. And the power steering, the whole assembly. No more power steering. I mean, not power steering. I'm sorry. AC compressor. Remove the AC compressor and the belt. All right. Here we go. Hold on.
Really strong.
Yeah, it's back. See how it is.
Dom, you got the batteries rolling right now, or
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot the batteries that whole time.
I got a 12.
All right. Just a quick update. Y'all dying out. The battery dying in the camera.
Update when we done.
What we got now? You on camera?
Yeah. Well, you can't see it, but the engine's in there.
it's in there.
Yeah, I just can't get no hold on.
So,
There you go. The engine's in
what's
there.
the name of the channel?
DJ Garage. DJ. Yeah.
Okay. We're about all things BMW out here. You know what I'm saying?
You ain't about anything BMW.
Just had this man handle this engine single-handedly in the back.